We out in West Hills? They got a whole restaurant right there. All right, clothes worthless, but sneakers wise, these visits have been awesome. All kinds of Vans going for 35. These are size 7s, the smaller sizes, and got another one of these. Chinese New Year. The PWs, you guys mentioned it in my last video, and I totally forgot what it was already. But I do got the Chinese New Year's. Is this the Pharrell? Is this the Pharrell Williams collab? Yeah, I believe so. Crazy, crazy. Oh, I never should say the price, huh? Price is $35. Dame certified, it's going for 31. Another one of those, and then, ooh, got a parlay. Dude, got a Ultra Boost Light parlay, 9.5, 50 bucks, $50. This fool? What? This. The color? What do you think? Huh? That was his 50 bucks. 50 bucks. Project Rock. Been seeing a lot of these Project Rocks. These are a size 8. And these are $45, man. Top 10s. That alarm's been going off the whole goddamn time that we've been here. That annoying, huh? But yeah, $40 for these. Look, it's not even the same alarm. Look at that. 50 bucks for the Intensicumpos. These are the, what are these called? The Immortalities. Champ size, $13. Some Addias dad shoes right here going for 40. More Champion slides, $13. Another one right there. Fourth one of these bad boys. That alarm's like a different pitch. It's something different. All right, check out some of the bigger shoes. Got some snakeskin, Air Force One, Fila's, not really. Seen at least 6, 7 of those? Holy cow. 10.5 Mellow 2s, 50 bucks. Skate highs with the comfy inserts going for 40. Another Ultra Boost right here. Did it start? Did it stop? Did it go? Is it going again? 11.5. Dude, 50 bucks. 50 bucks for Ultra Boost. Pretty freaking dope. Finding multiple Ultra Boost here. Do you see these? Look at this. CJ McCollum going for $110, $40 from Lehigh University. The best player from Lehigh ever. Let me call my brother-in-law who went to Lehigh. See if he wants this. I doubt it though. I don't know what city I'm in. Somewhere in the valley. Am I in Winnetka? Is this Reseda? I don't know. But look at this. More Durant more Chris Paul jerseys, like I said. Chris Paul jerseys going for $40. Dude, these Ross chips are getting so much better. Durant jerseys right here. Like way old Durant jerseys. $40 for these. Couple of mediums. Another one of these McCollum jerseys. And I did hit up my brother-in-law. He's like, hell no, I don't want one. It's like, I don't want to represent the school. I was like, damn fool, you cold. You cold, dog. But yeah, it does have all the tags. Normally 110 down to 40 bucks, yo. Got a large one here as well. 40 bucks, damn. XL section, more and more jerseys. Is this Project Rock right here? This is Under Armour. This is Under Armour. I guess not. But yeah, got one of these. I don't know what the price tag is. $15. Now I forgot, man, their shoe section here is janky as hell, but jersey selection was awesome. But I'm starting to see way more stuff. These are the Streak Flies right here for 5Ks, 10K middle distance runs going for $50. Got some suedes right here. Hella bright going for $35. These are size 11. Pure Boost 22s if you need that full length boost on a budget. Size 12.5 going for $40. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. This is one of the reasons I'm not a huge fan of it. The discoloring and stuff like that. This is made out of recycled React, I believe. No, recycled Zoom X. So I don't know. They just don't feel as nice as some of the other Zoom X stuff. But 65 bucks. Not bad. Bigger size. And of course, this is an honorary Puma outlet. So do got Mellow 2s going for $50. Oh, Nike. That fool got mad because I said this is a Puma outlet, honorary Puma outlet. You got the clogs right here, Addias clogs. These are down to 20. These in multiple sizes, smaller size right here. These Under Armour slides right here look pretty freaking comfortable. 25 for those, a little bit high. Converse right here. Interesting upper. Is that corduroy or something? $40. Top 10s right next door, going for 40. These ain't no top 10s. What the hell? What the hell are these? What the hell are these? Is this Perry Ellis or something? Sperry? Oh my god. Extra bootleg with Jaws licensing. A Grant Hill 2. Son of a monkey. Damn you, guess you're ruining my video. But yeah, I do got the Grant Hill 2s right here. What these going for? $50. God damn, dude, they raising the price on everything now. $50. Kukinis right here going for 50. Vans Bruce Lee's right here. These ain't bad. $35. 9.5. You want some Bruce Lee shoes, fool?
No.
These are pretty dope, dog. These are pretty dope. All right, man. You don't like the Bruce Lee like that? Project Rock right here. This is a size 7, 55 for these. We've seen a lot of these Project Rocks. And Chuck 70s. Yeah, Chuck 70s right there. 35. These are like a platform or something. That alarm's still going off. Holy crap. I'm curious to see how much these are. See if it's cheaper than the Nike outlet. 24 down to 17. I want to say it's pretty similar to the Nike outlets. Under Armour no shows down to 10. Nike Everyday. These fade so freaking quick. These are down to 11, normally 24. Got Crew for the younger kids. I think us older fools like the no shows. I still prefer no shows. Northwest Mall adjacent. Holy cow! Every Ross got like a million of these. What the hell? And I think the States one too. Okay, this is a medium right here. That one was a large. 17 for this. They have a bunch of Nike tags, like mostly t-shirts and stuff though. $17 for a t-shirt. Just walk past some of the shelves. They got all kinds of interesting stuff here. That's gonna get good. Starting off in the smaller sizes. I hear alarms going off everywhere. $35 for Roshi Golf. Roshi Golf right here. It's the Vans right there. Ain't nobody trying to steal no Vans, fool. Ain't nobody trying to steal no damn Vans. Got Project Rock, smaller size right here. Don't even see a price tag though. What the hell? We can't neglect the Mellow 2s that are here, going for 50. Right? Yeah. Have I seen this color? I don't think I've seen this colorway here. 11.5 going for 50. Trey Youngs, I haven't seen these in a minute. Not too many, but yeah, $40 right here. Way too much. NMDs. I think I'm in the size 10 area. 65. These are size 9. $65. Pretty clean. Crocs shoes right here. Going for 30. I think Bobby Thrift would be a huge fan of these. $30 for these. You like these Crocs shoes, fool? They're Crocs. You like Crocs, don't you?
No.
No? Damn, they shot them down quick, fool. Dang. Got some other Crocs right here. Size 13. A little too big. Yeah, these are 25. This is this 10.5 section. These are huge GT cuts right here. $70. Still got plenty of Hokas. I haven't shown too many of these because we've been seeing a gazillion of those. These are the Rincon 3s, go for 90, bigger size. We got a nice cacophony of alarms going off. It's going on stereo because it's coming on both sides, right and left. But I do got the Victory Pros right here. Some serious golf shoes going for $35. These are size 12.5. I'm in the 10.5 section. They don't care though. Another one of these mother lovers right here going for 65. In every spot I've seen these Dame Certifieds, they have been priced down. Dang, fool! $31. Project Rock, $45. I think this is a size 10, my size. That's dope, dude. That's dope to see those on sale like that. One of the better colorways of the Mellow, size 12 right here, going for 50. I do got some BSRs right here. This is 11.5, kind of like the budget version of the Project Rocks right here. These are down to 47. Just Find the regular Project Rocks, dude. No Ultra Boost here so far, but got a pretty good selection of stuff, dude. Got some solutions right here. Didn't that NBA play? I think it's Angel Reese, right? She's got a exclusive solution. I was like, really? One of the budget shoes? That's kind of jacked up. 27 for those. Under Armour's right here. These are going for 50. What the hell are these? More Sperry's right here. We saw that brand earlier. What the hell? All black NMDs right here. $60 for these. These are pretty clean, dude. These are size 11 and a half. These alarms are insane, bro. One of the busier Ross. There's a ton of people here. Ton of people. Dang, right when I panned it, there's like nobody here. I swear there were like 5 people here earlier. What the hell? And the size 11 and up. These definitely don't look 11 and up. But yeah, I got another one of these, man. We've seen plenty of these. Kind of crazy to see Pharrell Williams collabs here. Under Armour football cleats. These are huge size, but they were marked down to $15. $15 for these baseball cleats. These are definitely interesting. Chuck Taylors. Kind of like boots though. Kind of like boots, and it is like a leather. It seems like a faux leather. Looks very familiar, but way different. So not bad. $40 for these bad boys. Got some eye shots right here going for $60, bigger size. And then this is what I saw when I walked by earlier. I was like, this is going to be interesting because got some NMDs right here, size 12. These are $65, and the KDs. KD size 13, $60. That's a hell of a price. $60, yo. All right, we'll check out the women's section, see if they got anything good here. Sprinting spikes right here, some Sauconys. These are size 10 though. I need like a 9.5 for someone I do know. $20, dude. $20 has all the spikes. Does it have all the spikes? Yeah, it's only 4 in the front. Yeah, these ain't bad, dude. This ain't bad. Dang it. Women's section, I've been checking everything, dude. They don't really have much at all. Dang, dude. All right, they got some Pegasus. Is that a really good find? $60 for Pegasus. Not even a great price. Damn, dude. All right. Are we done yet? I don't know. I'm buying something hella stupid, so my kiddo's in line over there. Panda snacks. We talked about these, man. I like all these flavors. I like all of them. These will go for $3.50 a piece. But these, if you guys like wafers, oh my goodness, this will just be a life changer. All the other wafers are such bullshit. These are so ridiculous. $4 for these. I used to get these at, what was it, Cost Plus? Is that what it was? But like they used to be way more expensive. Yeah, way cheaper here. $4, man. The density, just the flavor, just so freaking good. These ain't bad either. The cream filled wafers. These ain't bad, but nothing close to that. Did I miss out on any other snacks? Did I miss out on any other snacks? The Moose Munch, not bad. The Knott's Berry Farm, I grubbed on like the whole thing. Oh no, it was one of those boxes. There's 2 separate bags, and I grabbed on the whole thing before I even got home. But yeah, am I missing out on anything else? Have you guys tried anything? Krabby Patties. They got Krabby Patties here. Nice little selection of snacks. I love these snacks. This is what I'm getting. This is what I'm getting right here. Paper towel holder, dude. Paper towel holder. $10. Let's go. I do got one last one, man. In the apparel right here, do got some Project Rock stuff right here. This is a small $13, and it's small too. Like there's really not much fabric. More Project Rock t-shirts right here. $13 for this one. Large, extra large, double XL. Not too much. Not too much. Oh, wait. Okay, and then in the XL right here, more of these Durant jerseys, dude. More Durant jerseys, $40. I didn't see anything in medium large though. Nothing in the shorts or anything like that. Let's go check out the sneakers. More Vans. More Addias. Got some waffles. What are these? The waffle ones right here. These are 7.5. These are down to $50. Still too much. See them cheaper at the outlets. Bigger sizes. Starting to see some Reebok. These are the Shaq Victories. And these are what, size 9? Yeah, these are size 9. $50. $50 for the Shaq Victories. Technically in the size 10.5 section or something, but yeah, $60 for these right here. $40. Ooh, a little bit cheaper, huh? Oh, is that because that's grade school? Okay, that's 40 right here. Oh, okay, yeah, this is 50. So grade school and men's. These things that nobody's looking for, Sean Witherspoon's. Dang, other than that Nike Sean Witherspoon, the A6 one's pretty dope. I do have the A6 one, but none of the other Sean Witherspoons have hit, huh? 35 for those. Another one of these Shaqs. What do you think about these, fool?
Maybe.
Huh?
Maybe.
Maybe? Maybe? You want to try it on?
Sure.
Huh?
Sure.
47 for these. These are size 8 right here. Witnesses in the big sizes. Size 11, so not too big. 65 for those. And of course, more of these still going for 50. Roshi's going for 35. Is that more than the Nike outlets? I swear that's more than the Nike outlets. KDs right here. These are size 18. Size 18. Holy cow. Holy cow. What they still trying to get? They still trying to get 60. Y'all ain't getting no 60 for that. I'll tell you that. All right. He said no to those, so we're throwing those back. And then I have a feeling we're going to see a big run of these. The Cardi B's. Dude got the Cardi B's going for $23. The Club C Cardi B's. Yeah, man, $23. Hella cheap. This is a bigger size right here, too. Fake Yeezys. Got some Crocs. Some Crocs size 9. These have been, what, 25 or something? I don't see a price tag on the bottom. Top 10s. I think these are size 9 reduced to $31. These boots, which are women, so 47 for those. Chuck 70s right here. What these lovers go? $40. Simpsons. Which ones are these? The Nizzas? I don't know what the heck these are. No, oh yeah, $30 for those. More and more boots. And then other than these old school Reeboks that nobody's talking about, that's about it, man. That's about it. Pretty decent trip, man. I went to 4 different Ross. Saw Ultra Boost. Saw some pretty interesting stuff. Saw plenty of interesting stuff. Ross trip's definitely getting better. Make sure you guys let me know the best. Make sure you guys let me know the most interesting finds that y'all saw. And we out, man. Make sure you guys help our boy out. Press that like button. If you're new, subscribe. We're done. We're done. See you guys. Oh, I forgot to show my shoes. Dude got these bad boys right here. This fool wearing his Dunks. He's been wearing those SB Dunks forever now. All right, we out.